We're all familiar with the Demon Core and the dangerous experiments known as tickling the dragon's tail. What came after those deadly accidents? Machines that briefly produced nearly 1 billion watts of nuclear power. In the 1950s at Los Alamos, scientists ended hands-on critical experiments and replaced them with remote-controlled machines called critical assemblies. Early systems like Topsy used uranium cores with movable reflector blocks. Jezebel followed. It was a bare plutonium sphere controlled entirely by machines. But both were precursors to something far more extreme. Godiva was a bare uranium metal assembly made of two hemispheres, visually similar to the Demon Core itself. The uranium was highly enriched, around 93% U-235, placing it clearly within weapons-grade category. Mechanical systems rapidly pushed the halves together, driving the core briefly above prompt critical. For microseconds, the fission rate exploded upward. Some pulses released tens of quadrillions of fissions in a single burst, producing hundreds of millions to nearly 1 billion watts of power compressed into a fraction of a second. The neutron radiation was so intense it could instantly irradiate nearby materials and even activate the surrounding structures. One especially powerful pulse, estimated around 1.2 times 10 to the 17th fissions, released so much energy that it physically damaged the Godiva assembly, eventually leading to its retirement. But because of the post-Demon Core safety systems and remote operations, no one was injured. As the uranium heated and expanded, the reaction shut itself down automatically, and this was by design. No electronics, just plain nuclear physics. At time, Godiva was even lifted outdoors to prevent neutron reflection from the laboratory walls, thus alleviating the issue of activation. After the Demon Core, scientists didn't stop pushing nuclear systems to their limits. They built machines to do it safely, and Godiva became one of the most powerful experimental nuclear devices ever created. If you find this content interesting, please stay tuned for more.